What's up everybody, welcome back to Water Ninjas Adventure. I'm here at my little vacation getaway trip here down by Wisconsin Dells. We just went to Kalahari and now we are pretty much at our Airbnb right now. As you guys can see, there's a lake right behind us. So one reason why I chose this place. Oh, I doesn't know that, but I got my ice fishing gear just in case if we got some spare time to kill, and we do. We got back in here. Just kind of chill, relax for now. But what we are gonna do is go down there and hit it up. Yeah, there's this little bay. If you guys look past that bridge over there, there's actually the main Wisconsin River that flows through, and it gets pretty deep over there. But we're gonna be focusing on this little bay right here, where it kind of comes in under the bridge. I'm not sure how deep or how shallow it is. I'm not even sure how thick the ice is. But with this weather, we should have some pretty decent ice. So, yeah. Let's go hit it up. I can't wait. Oh! Oh, not too bad. Not too bad. We're not gonna bother ourselves. Ice is crazy thick. I can feel it from the bottom of my foot. So put these away. What I'm using right now is a chartreuse tungsten, number 16, and a little grub. That's a chartreuse too. This water's pretty clear, very clear, I should say. So they should have no problem seeing it. I would love to have the color white, but I don't have that on me right now. So there's fish swimming down there for sure. What the heck is that? Got him. Oh my god. It's a big crappie. Oh my god. That's a huge crappie. Check that out. Wow. Oh my god. Holy crap. Jesus. Check that baby out. Oh wow. This one's going in the bucket. Oh wow. I lost it for a second there too. Oh my god. I was not expecting that. I thought it was like something small, you know? There's some big crappies in here. Oh wait, here's another one. Here's another one. Holy smokes. Got him. Got him. Oh, another nice crappie. Oh. Dude. Oh my goodness. Check this out. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. Check that out. Oh, SLABS all day, baby. Oh my god. I'm gonna come to this Airbnb always now, so this is gonna be my new yearly Airbnb thing, so this is freaking crazy. There's so many nice lines down there, it's amazing. Alright guys, that's about it. I'm gonna head back inside, spend time with the family, and then if I can, I'll sneak back out, but as of right now, probably not. A lot of fish down there are very finicky, but yeah. not bad at all for like 30 minutes. So I'll see you guys later, right? Good coffee making. Good morning, guys. It's about 7 o'clock right now. I gotta be quiet because everybody's still sleeping. So there's a place of our Airbnb. That's a bed. Yeah. So sneak out for at least 2 hours and then see how life is. And I gotta come back, clean up, and then we gotta head out to Kalahari again. Got my coffee. I like to add cold water in there and then just chug it. Nothing beats popping out from your backyard, just go fishing. So, yep. It's still early. It's still too early. Okay, let's go. It didn't work yesterday, but it should work today. A little rosy red right on the tip of the mouth. Drop this baby all the way back down. I mean, these lines are big, so, and these rosies are not small. Hopefully, I can get something to come up and just, I can just dead stick it because I'm so used to dead sticking. Here he comes. Here he comes. Got him. Nice one. Nice one. Oh, come on, transducer. Yeah, these are crappies for sure. Oh, man. Oh, that is awesome. Transducer in the way. Took the... Check that out. Look at that. Just swallowed it. Holy moly. Rosy red the way to go. Woo! Okay. Booyah, baby. We are on some fish, baby. Wisconsin River, baby. Oh, that is awesome. My hands are freezing. Oh, you went back down. Want nothing to do with it. Yeah, these guys are very finicky. Oh, here it comes again. Here it comes again. They were all down here last night, but man, they were just kind of just staging, not really doing much. So hopefully, oh, here comes one. Right on top of it. Right on it. Got him. Oh, nice one, nice one, nice one. Oh, oh my God. Slabs after slabs, baby. Oh, baby. Slabs after slabs. Oh. Rosy red middles with the chartreuse. I believe this is a number 14, so. Oh. I'm using a whole rosy red too, so nothing small, you know. I mean, these rosies are big. All right. We are on some fish, baby. We are on some slabs. I really want to go to the inlet over there to see if there's a, oh, here comes another one. Here comes another one. I really want to go to that. Oh my God. Oh, got him. Oh, it feels nice. Feels nice. Oh my God, what are you? Oh, another crappie. Another nice crappie. Oh my God. Dude, I'm having an orgasm, dude. Orgasm. Oh, shoot. Hella orgasm. Check that out. Let's go. Gotta get this baby right down there really quick. Come on. That's 5 crappies right now. There he comes again. There he comes again. Coming hot. Oh my God. Came in hot. Barely. Oh my God. I think his middle's too big.
Come on, open up your mouth a little bit. I'll let you take it. Oh, here it comes again. Here it comes again. There's 2 of them. Coming hot. Oh, did I get him? Oh, I think I snapped my line. Yes, I did. Yeah, if your line wraps around the little small icicle and you're running 2-pound line, yeah, probably not a good idea to set that hard. Oh, here comes. Here he comes. Nice line. Got him. Got him, got him, got him. Nice crappie. Oh, snappies. Oh, snappies. Oh my God, dude. Oh, check that out. I got my hook back. Look at that. I saw that he spit out this minnow. And I was like, wow, that looks like the one I just hooked on, but I just got my hook back. That's how aggressive they are right now. Oh my goodness. that is the first. That is the first. Same fish. Same fish. 2 hook in his mouth. Boom. This guy is the culprit. Boom. What are the chances of me getting my hook back and my minnow that I just lost? And he comes back and smacks it again, even though he was hooked already. I never had that happen, ever. Okay, here comes another one. Here comes another one. Come on, baby. There you come. Slowly. Expecting that rosy. Does that look delicious? Oh, yes it does. You're gonna eat it. And you ate it. Oh, this one feels nice. Oh, this one feels really nice. Oh, this one's really nice. Ah, look at those head shakes. So beautiful. Look at that. That is a beauty. Slabs for days. Oh, boom. Alright guys, that is it. Thanks again for watching. And stay tuned for the next episode. So I gotta head out now, take the kids to Kalahari again. And yeah. I will see you guys on the next video, alright?
We're going to go play games. Get ready.
Okay, we're gonna go. Alright, say bye-bye.
Bye.
See you later, guys. One more look at this lake. Not too bad again. Very short walk. So, very good day, very good weekend. See you guys later. Bye. Let's go!